Hi. In this video, you'll learn how to send a document for eSignature directly in pdfFiller. No extra tools needed. eSignatures are already included in your pdfFiller subscription, so you can edit, prepare, and send for signing all in one place. Let's see how it works. Start by uploading your document to pdfFiller. It can be a PDF, a Word file, or any other format. The platform will automatically convert it to PDF. You can also open a document already saved in your account. Just select it from the My Documents section. Once your document is ready, click the Invite to Sign tab at the top of the editor. No need to export the file or switch to another app. Everything happens right here, inside pdfFiller. You'll see two steps: adding signers and placing fields on the document. Click Add Recipients to add the people who need to sign the document. Enter each signer's name and their email address. Both are optional at this step. If you also need to sign, click Add Myself. You can add up to 10 signers. Now place the fields on the document. Select the field you need from the left panel: signature, date, text, initials, and drag it onto the document. Each field is assigned to a specific signer. If the document already has fillable fields, just assign them to a specific recipient using the menu above the field. All set. Click Review and Send. Choose Send via email to send an invitation by email. You can add a personal message, set up reminders, and define an expiration date for the request. Hit Send, and your signers will receive an email with a link to the document. Your document never leaves pdfFiller. It stays secure throughout the entire process. After sending, you can track the status in real time: who has opened the document, who has signed, and who hasn't yet. Once the invite lands into a recipient's inbox, they can sign in a matter of seconds. No account needed. They simply click Review and sign in the email, fill out their assigned fields, add their signature, and hit Finish. That's it. If someone is taking too long, pdfFiller will automatically send them a reminder based on the invite settings. Once everyone has signed, you'll receive a finalized PDF with all signatures and a completion certificate. And here's the best part: everything you just saw is already included in your pdfFiller subscription. Document editing, form filling, e-signature requests, real-time tracking, and secure storage, all in one place, under one subscription. Why juggle multiple tools when one does it all? Try it yourself. Just click the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.